What it does. Linux networking is a complex system that enables communication between devices on a network. The IP command is a powerful tool used to configure and manage network interfaces, routing tables, and DNS settings. In this example, we'll demonstrate how to use the IP command to configure a network interface, add routes, and set DNS servers. Command/example. Breaking it down. IP link set eth0 up. This command brings up the eth0 interface, making it available for use. The link object manages network interfaces, and set is used to modify the interface state. IP address add 192. 168. 1. 100/24 dev eth0. This command assigns an IP address to the eth0 interface. The address object manages IP addresses, and add is used to add a new address. The /24 is the subnet mask, which defines the scope of the IP address. IP route add default via 192. 168. 1. 1 dev eth0. This command adds a default route to the routing table, which tells the system where to send packets that don't have a specific route. The route object manages routing tables, and add is used to add a new route. The via keyword specifies the gateway IP address. Echo name server 8. 8. 8. 8/etc/resolve. Conf. This command sets the DNS server to 8. 8. 8. 8. Google's public DNS server. The resolve. Conf file contains the DNS server settings. Common mistakes. Forgetting to bring up the interface before assigning an IP address. Using the wrong subnet mask, which can lead to IP address conflicts or routing issues. Not setting the default route, which can prevent the system from accessing external networks. Using the wrong DNS server settings, which can prevent the system from resolving host names. Try this next. Try using the IP command to configure a secondary IP address on an interface, or to add a static route to a specific network. Pro tip. In production environments, it's a good practice to use a configuration management tool like Ansible or Puppet to manage network settings, rather than manually editing configuration files. This helps to ensure consistency and reproducibility across multiple systems. To take it further, you can explore the IP command's other features, such as IP link show, displays information about network interfaces. IP address show, displays information about IP addresses assigned to interfaces. IP route show, displays the routing table. IP NA show, displays information about neighboring devices on the network. Remember to practice and experiment with the IP command to become more comfortable with Linux networking concepts.